Welcome to another exciting video where we bring you in-depth reviews of some of the most remarkable machines in the world of agriculture and heavy machinery. Today, we take a closer look at the legendary Big Bud 210 tractor, a machine that stands as a symbol of durability, power, and efficiency in the farming industry. This tractor, produced by the Northern Manufacturing Company, is known for its robust design and impressive capabilities, making it a popular choice among farmers who require reliability and performance in the field. The Big Bud 210 is powered by a Caterpillar 3208 V8 engine, which delivers an impressive 210 horsepower. This engine is not only powerful but also known for its longevity and ease of maintenance, making it a solid choice for those looking for both performance and dependability. The tractor features a rugged build, designed to handle the toughest terrains and heaviest workloads with ease. Whether it's plowing through dense soil or towing large equipment, the Big Bud 210 proves to be a reliable workhorse. One of the standout features of this tractor is its simplistic yet effective design. Unlike modern tractors that come with an overload of electronic components, the Big Bud 210 sticks to the basics, ensuring ease of use and fewer chances of technical malfunctions. Its manual transmission provides precise control, allowing operators to navigate fields with efficiency. Additionally, the spacious cab is designed for comfort, reducing operator fatigue during long working hours. Farmers appreciate the Big Bud 210 not just for its power but also for its cost-effectiveness. Since it lacks excessive electronics and complicated systems, maintenance costs are lower compared to modern alternatives. Replacement parts are generally available, and many owners find it relatively easy to work on the tractor themselves, further saving on repair costs. Despite being an older model, the Big Bud 210 remains a popular choice in the farming community. Its reputation for toughness, ease of maintenance, and raw power makes it a timeless piece of agricultural machinery. Whether you're a collector, a farmer looking for a reliable tractor, or just an enthusiast of classic farm equipment, the Big Bud 210 is undoubtedly a machine worth admiring. Let us know in the comments what you think about this legendary tractor. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest reviews and insights on powerful machine.